Ryan Rabok, who just...
Moving on, Kenya Shujaa will be aiming to defend the Safari Sevens title as the tournament marks a special return to the historic Nyayo National Stadium for the first time since 2021. The Kenya National Sevens women's rugby team, the Lionesses captain Sheila Chajira, is optimistic the Kenyan ladies will post good results at this year's edition. The 27th edition of the Safari Sevens will feature 20 teams, 12 in the men's category and 8 in the women's category.
In the local circuit of which that was my first ever time carrying the trophy. Now I want to bring the energy back to now the Kenya Shujaa team. We go a game at a time, and since we trust ourselves, we trust our structure, we'll give our best and not forgetting, it's our head coach's birthday. We dedicate all the wins to him.
Tumekuwa tukitrain for 6 weeks plus. Tumekuwa na training game na Tunisia, walikuja Kenya. So tumejiandaa vizuri.
It's many years in the running. We try to uphold a very high standard. I think if you speak to some of these teams, they'll mention that we do treat them very well, and that they do have a nice time in Nairobi.